So friends, let's see today's lovely mango pickle. Now I've got two raw mangoes which are called kairi, and I've washed them really clean well, and I've wiped them dry with a clean cloth. And now I'm just going to cut off the tip of the kairi or the raw mango. I'm going to just cut off the sides of the seed of the mango. Now don't throw away the seed or the bart as we call it. You can use it in some curries. I've put up a Goan prawn and mango curry, so you can use that. You can use it in that, or just to flavor any plain curry or any fish curry. So don't throw that away. So now I'm just going to cut up the mango like this, and then I'm just going to take cut it up into small pieces. The smaller they are, the better. So just cut them up into small little cubes like this. Use a sharp serrated knife if possible. That makes the work really easy. And then just keep them away in a bowl. I've just put a kitchen napkin to my bowl because I don't want the bowl to get stained. Now I'm going to take like 3 or 4 handfuls of salt, and we are going to just put a lot of salt. So 3 or 4 handfuls of salt into this raw mango, and then we're just going to mix it up really well. Now you can use rock salt also, or you can just use normal table salt, iodized salt, and just mix it up really well. So what this will do is it will let all the the water that is there, the water content, to come out. So we're just going to put the lid on it, and we're going to let this sit for at least 7 to 8 hours. And then you will see that the color of the raw mango has changed, and there's so much of water that's come out, but we still need to get all the water out. So I'm just going to put a little bit of I've taken a colander, a small colander, put it on top of another vessel, and I'm just going to put a heavy so this is already the water that's there in it. I'm just going to press it down like this. Just squeeze out as much water as you can. And then I'm going to put a lid on it like this, and I'm going to put a heavy weight. So you can use any mortar, pestle, or any kind of weight, like a grinding stone, a small whatever stuff you have, and just keep it for another 8 to 10 hours. And when you take it out, you will see that there's so much of liquid that's come out of it, and we don't want the liquid, because if you take off the liquid, then the pickle has a longer shelf life. So we want to take off all the water from the raw mango. Now the other ingredients are 4 large cloves of garlic, which I've thinly sliced, 2 light green chilies thinly sliced, some few curry leaves, about 7 or 8 curry leaves, and this is half a teaspoon of fenugreek or methi seeds, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3/4 of a teaspoon of asafoetida or hinger, 3/4 of a teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. So now I've just taken a small pan, and I'm going to dry roast this fenugreek or methi seeds just for a few seconds, or maybe half a minute or so, till you get the aroma of the fenugreek or the methi. So roast it on a low to medium flame, and once that is done, you're just going to grind it either in a mixer or on a mortar and pestle like this, and grind it to a nice fine powder. So since it's nice and hot and it's roasted, it gets, you can easily make it into a very fine powder like this. So this is our fenugreek seed powder or methi powder. So now I've taken a pan and I've added about 1/4 cup of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds. Now the mustard seeds need to start to pop or splutter. So you actually need to hear the spluttering of the mustard seeds. That's very important for the flavor of the mustard seeds to come in the pickle. You need it to nicely splutter. So wait for that to happen. So that should take you about half a minute or so on a low to medium heat. Let them nicely crackle. Now once they crackle, you add your garlic. Thinly slice your garlic, 4 large cloves, and let the garlic also fry. Now once the garlic starts to fry a bit, you're going to add your green chilies, which you've slit. And you're going to turn the flame a little bit low, and you're going to fry this garlic and the green chilies really nicely. So this is going to flavor the oil with the garlic and the green chilies and the mustard. Now we're going to lower the heat to the lowest point possible, and now we're going to add all the powder masala. So first I'm going to start with the asafoetida or the hinga. Then I'm going to add the curry leaves. I've just chopped the curry leaves, but you can keep them whole also. Let the curry leaves crackle nicely and get fried nicely and become nice and crispy. Then we're going to add the methi powder or the fenugreek powder that we just ground. We're going to add the red chili powder. We're going to add the red Kashmiri chili powder. Now, the Kashmiri chili powder gives a lovely color to this pickle. Now mix everything well. And now you're going to add the mangoes or the kairi, the pieces. And now you're going to mix everything really well. Now remember, your flame should be very low at this point, and hardly for about, not even a half a minute, just for like a few seconds, you're going to fry the mango in the mixture in the oil, and then you're going to turn off the heat completely. And then now we're just going to let the mixture cool down to room temperature. Now you can add a little bit of salt after tasting it, just to see whether how much salt you require. And now let the mixture completely cool down to room temperature. It's still bubbling because of the heat. And then you're just going to transfer it to a nice clean glass bottle. And we're going to keep it aside for 2 or 3 days, so that it nicely matures and everything comes together, and then you can enjoy this mango pickle. So do try out this recipe, guys, and do let me know how you like it. I'll catch you in my next video soon. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.